Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Circle to search on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. First of all, if you're using gesture buttons like this one at the bottom, then you're gonna have to press and hold the home button for a couple of seconds. And if you are using the gesture navigation, then you're gonna have to hold the home bar at the bottom of your screen. And after that, circle any object on the screen with your finger and let Gemini find any info related to it for you. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.